Hi, I'm Adrian, and with me you can learn how to build your own surfboard. In the following video I will tell you how a shaping workshop week looks like, and I will show you a few impressions from our shaping bay here in Munich. Our shaping workshop lasts 5 till 6 days, depending on which board you're going to choose. We are very flexible in terms of time. Even if you have to work in the morning, you can come by in the afternoon and start your workshop. In the beginning of the week, we'll start by getting your chosen blank into shape. You will learn a lot about the different behaviors of the shape, the edges and the fin placement. Then we move on to the lamination steps, where you can design the color of your board according to your wishes. Tinted resin, spray color, your own design or logo, everything is possible. In the last 2 days we will work on the finish you have chosen, that you can jump straight into the waves. Whether you choose a surf, foil or standard pedalboard, we at the Eco Surf Supply use the most eco-friendly shaping materials that you can find in the surfboard industry. You have no shaping experience yet? No problem. We work in small groups up to 5 people and therefore we can focus on your individual needs. Ready to join? Pick your workshop week, book a free call with me to plan your dream board, save your spot now, and I can't wait to shape with you.